What's up guys, Google is back again, and no, it's not a time to get some small details, it's a time to see a live hands-on video before the official launch. After all, it's a Pixel, and not only that, this thing also starts selling as well. Yes, a store in Vietnam got the early Pixel 4 and they're selling it for $1,000. This means the final product will probably be cheaper than current $1,000 price tag grand. Also, the live hands-on videos got leaked of Pixel 4 in two colors and they both look beautiful. Yes, still it's having a top 4 head, but now it's looking more beautiful than what I was expecting earlier. And yes, there is no dual tone design on the back, just simple black, white and orange colors. Yes, the orangey fruity Pixel 4 will also be available at the launch. The dual camera setup is there with a slide bump on the back, and there's also no headphone jack on the phone. But this is not surprising that much because the previous Pixel 3 and Pixel 2 also didn't have the headphone jack. And it's also confirmed now that the speakers are now placed on the bottom of the phone, and the second pair of stereo speakers is on the top 4 head, along with the fully functional 3D Face ID sensors and Soli radar chip, which allows you to control the device with air gestures. But seems like this main feature of Pixel 4 won't work in all countries. Pixel 4's Best Buy landing page shows that motion sense feature of Pixel 4 will be limited to selected countries. It will work in US, Canada, Singapore, Australia, Taiwan and most European countries, and it won't work in Japan. Currently, we don't know why it's limited to certain countries. After all, it's going to be a main headline feature of Pixel 4 family, and it has to work in all countries, otherwise people will not buy this thing. Again, we will see more information pretty soon why it's limited to certain countries, so definitely subscribe for that and let me know if in your country motion sense won't work, then will you buy the Pixel 4? Let me know in the comment section below. I'm eagerly waiting for your comments, and like this video to support this channel. And yeah, thanks for watching. See you soon.